Hi guys, so dito na tayo sa DepEd laptop information, FAQ, do's and don'ts. So, gagawa pa sana ako ng video para dito. Yun nga, kaya lang napansin ko meron na palang ginawa yung DepEd o yung supplier siguro gumawa nito para sa ito siguro yung i-demo dapat nila pero hindi na natuloy. Napansin ko guys, maganda yung pagkakagawa. Kaya inedit ko na lang yon, kinat ko na lang yung intended for this laptop and tablets na rin, sinama ko na. So, yun na rin yung sinunod ko. So, actually guys, yung information ay hindi ko gawa. Yung information, FAQ, do's and don'ts, hindi na ako gumawa nun. Gawa na ng DepEd yun. So, inayos ko na lang para nakapokus lang siya talaga sa dito sa laptop and tablets natin na darating. Then, aside from that, guys, binabati ko po yung DepEd, for the first time. Natuwa talaga ako. Maganda yung pag-aagawa nyo ng, information, FAQs, and do's and don'ts dito. Sana sa mga susunod na DCP, lagi na tayong ganito. Actually, talaga, natuwa talaga ako. Hindi na ako gagawa lang para sa akin kasi nagawa na eh. For the first time kasi may nagawang maganda na pwede nating ibigay sa mga, sa mga learners natin, sa mga teachers natin. Dati kasi on the spot, siguro kaya walang ganon. Sa mga previous natin, on the spot kasi yon, kaya wala siguro silang video. Or if meron man, siguro hindi lang ako aware. Pero ngayon kasi, kinalkal ko yung laptop, nakita ko nga. So maganda yung pagkakagawa. Binabati ko po yung DepEd, Sir Abram, Yusek, sino po yung mga in charge dyan, sila. Kung sino po in charge dito, maganda po yung pagkakagawa nyo ng video guide para sa laptop. Sana po tuloy-tuloy na po natin to. Guys, ulitin ko, yung susunod na video mapapanood nyo ay hindi po sa akin. Hindi po akong gumawa nun at inayos ko lang po at na lahat yon inalis ko yung palagay kong hindi kailangan ng mga teachers natin para madali nilang balikan to. Anyway, nasa laptop naman yung buong video, panoorin na lang nila yun. Pero ito kasi, yung ginawa ko, inayos ko lang to, intended for laptop and tablets natin. So, panoorin po natin to.
Hello to all our hardworking teachers and educators. Welcome to the DepEd Computerization Program Orientation Training. This video will guide you on how to set up, configure, and operate various equipment needed in your school. These digital tools are: mahalaga po na masanay kayo sa wastong paggamit ng mga teknolohiyang ito upang maiwasan ang pagkasira o hindi tamang paggana ng mga ito. Ituturo rin namin sa inyo kung paano mag-troubleshoot para agad ninyong magawa ng solusyon ang anumang problema na maaari ninyong maengkwentro sa paggamit ng mga equipment ninyo. A thorough understanding of these equipment will give you the ability to quickly correct any malfunction should it occur and avoid any further delays or interruptions in your class. This video will provide you with detailed specifications and functions of each equipment and accessory. Iisa-isahin po natin pag-aaralan ang mga ito, kung ano ang gamit nila at kung saan dapat ikabit. Kaya ngayon, dear teachers, kayo naman muna ang estudyante ha? So feel free to take down notes and listen carefully. Class begins now. Let us start our training by identifying each part and learning its function.
Laptop. The laptop has 6 components: screen, keyboard, touchpad, right side components, left side components, back side components. Screen. Ang laptop ay may sukat na 14 inches na screen at gawa ito sa manipis na liquid crystal display o LCD. You get the clearest picture running your laptop display at the native resolution or recommended resolution. For example, native resolution recommended is 1920 by 1080. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device used to input functions and characters into the computer. Ito ay nahahati sa 7 sections: numeric keys, alphabetical keys, punctuation keys, function keys, cursor keys, Windows logo key, and special keys. Numeric keys are keys with numbers from 0 to 9. Alphabetic keys. These are keys that have alphabets on them, ranging from A to Z. Punctuation keys. These are keys of the keyboard used for punctuation. Example include comma, full stop, colon, question marks, hyphen, and others. Windows logo key. A key with a Microsoft logo on it, located on the lower left part of the keyboard. Function keys. These are keys that have the letter F on them, which are usually combined with other keys when used. They are F1 to F12 and are also in the class called special keys. Cursor keys. The cursor keys are composed of the arrow keys, home, end, page up, and page down buttons. They move the pointer or cursor on the screen. Special keys. These are keys that perform special functions. They include tab, control, caps lock, insert, print screen, alt graph, shift, home, numeric lock, escape, and many others. Touchpad. The touchpad can be set to perform other mouse functions, such as scrolling, selecting, and double-clicking. It moves the pointer and selects or activates items on the screen. The left touchpad button functions like the left button on an external mouse. The right touchpad button functions like the right button on an external mouse. Right side components: microphone and headphone jack, connects to optional powered stereo speakers, headphones, earbuds, a headset, or a television audio. USB Type-C 3 port. Ports that provide a transfer rate of up to 5 gigabytes per second and is backward compatible to USB 2. SD card slot. Supports SDHC or SDXC digital card formats. USB 3 ports. Can transfer data at up to 5 gigabytes per second or 625 megabytes per second, which is about 10 times as fast as the USB 2 standard. HDMI port. Connects to an external HDMI monitor. Power connector. Connects an AC adapter for providing 220 volts AC power to the laptop and is also used for charging the battery pack. Left side components. RJ45 network jack, kung saan nilalagay ang LAN cable. External VGA port. Connects to an external monitor via VGA cable. USB 2 port. Connects to an optional USB device. Optical drive. Reads and burns data to an optical disc. Backside component. The vent. Provides proper airflow to cool internal components.
Now that we've familiarized ourselves with the equipment and how they function, we can now proceed to installation and configuration. In this part, we'll look at the specifications of each component and equipment, and we'll demonstrate the setup process.
Ito ang basic info or technical specifications ng laptop. Here are the steps in setting up the laptop. Powering the computer. Push and release natin ang power button na located sa bottom part ng display panel. Connecting laptop to wireless router. Pindutin ang Wi-Fi icon na makikita sa kanang ibabang bahagi ng laptop. Piliin ang tamang pangalan ng Wi-Fi na gusto mo i-connect.
We're now halfway through the training. In this part, we shall learn about the basics of troubleshooting. Bago tayo tumawag sa ating IT department, suriin muna natin ang problema at subukang bigyan ng solusyon.
System restoration and backup. Laptop 1-key recovery or restore. Recovery guide. Pindutin ang F9 habang ang DepEd logo ay nasa screen. Ang laptop ay mag-auto-enter sa recovery mode, and you will need to input Y or N to continue or exit. Huwag pumindot ng kahit anong key para hindi ma-interrupt ang proseso. Lalabas ang applying image percentage. Dapat itong maging 100%. After ma-reach ang 100%, magpapakita ang image recovery complete sa screen. I-type ang exit at pindutin ang enter sa keyboard. Take note na ang 1-key recovery at this point is a success. Kaya naman ang laptop will boot normally and get ready to restart. Mag-log in gamit ang default username at password. Laptop whole disk recovery using U-disk or flash drive. Recovery guide. Insert lamang ang U-disk or flash drive recovery sa any USB port ng laptop at i-power on ito. Pindutin ang F7 habang ang DepEd logo ay nasa screen para sa booting option. Sa booting option, piliin ang tamang pangalan ng U-disk or flash drive recovery and press enter. Hayaang magproseso ang U-disk. Huwag pumindot ng kahit anong key para hindi ma-interrupt ang proseso. Lalabas ang applying image percentage. Dapat itong maging 100%. After ma-reach ang 100%, magpapakita ang image recovery complete sa screen. I-type ang exit at pindutin ang enter sa keyboard. Take note na ang 1-key recovery at this point is a success. Kaya naman ang laptop will boot normally and get ready to restart. Log in gamit ang default username at password. How to update operating system or OS and antivirus software. Piliin ang Start Windows mula sa kaliwang sulok sa baba ng keyboard. Number 2. Pumunta sa mga setting or gear icon. Number 3. Piliin ang icon ng Update at Security. Number 4. Piliin ang tab na pag-update ng Windows sa sidebar. Mga pabilog na arrow ang itsura nito. Number 5. Piliin ang Check for Update. If there's an available update, magsisimula itong mag-download automatically. How to perform preventive maintenance. This includes proper handling of the units. Number 1. Ilayo ang mga likido at pagkain mula sa iyong laptop at tablet. Ang natapong mga likido ay maaaring makapinsala sa panloob ng mga sangkap o maging sanhi ng pinsala sa kuryente sa laptop. Number 2. Manatiliing malinis ang kamay kapag ginagamit ang iyong laptop at tablet. Ang mga malinis na kamay ay ginagawang mas madali ang paggamit ng iyong touchpad at magkakaroon ng mas konting peligro na maiwan ang dumi at iba pang mga mansa sa computer. Number 3. Kapag isinara mo ang iyong laptop or tablet, tiyaking walang maliit na mga items tulad ng ballpen or small earphone sa keyboard. Maaari itong makapinsala sa display screen kapag nakasara ito. Number 4. Huwag hilahin bigla ang cord ng laptop or adapter ng tablet. Dahil ang biglaang pagkuha ng power cord mula sa socket ng kuryente ay maaaring maputol ang plug o makapinsala sa power socket. Number 5. Huwag ilabas ang iyong laptop at tablet sa mabilis na pagbago-bago ng temperature tulad ng mainit na panahon at maulan. Number 6. Iwasang maglagay ng mabibigat na materyales tulad ng mga libro sa tuktok ng iyong laptop at keyboard. Number 7. Use and store in a well-circulated area. Gamitin ang laptop sa isang lugar na may maayos na sirkulasyon ng hangin, tulad ng electric fan or air conditioner. How to replace the hard disk, memory, CD-ROM, and other computer peripherals. Ipinagbabawal ang pagpapalit ng hard disk, memory, CD-ROM, and other computer peripherals. Kung ito ay nasa ilalim ng warranty, maaari kayong tumawag at magtanong tungkol sa service warranty. Tignan yung contact information na nakaprint sa sticker ng mga unit. Hands-on troubleshooting, laptop and tablet. Computers aren't powering on. If your computers are not powering on at all, not even a single light is lit, then there must be a problem with the power source. If the power outlet, extension, and other connections are working fine, then the problem may be the power adapter or charger. Replace the charger to see if it turns on. If you don't have a spare, please refer it to the service center and request for a new power adapter. Blue screen of death. The cause of blue screen of death ay maaaring parehong problema sa hardware at software. Kadalasan, ito ay problema sa software. Meron po tayong solusyon para sa blue screen na ito. Meron tayong tinatawag na one key and whole key disk recovery option para sa laptop. Please review the video of restoration and backup. Keyboard is not working. If your keyboard is not working, try the following steps. Number 1. Restart the computer. Number 2. In Windows, search for an Open Device Manager. Number 3. Click View and then select Show Hidden Devices. Number 4. Click the arrow next to Keyboards. Right-click the keyboard name and then click Uninstall to remove the device from Windows. Number 5. Remove all devices in the keyboards category and then restart the computer. The keyboard should now work correctly. Audio is not working. If your audio is not working, try the following steps. Check the volume. It's possible that you may have accidentally muted the volume on your computer, either by striking the mute button or clicking the speaker icon on the Windows taskbar. To check your volume, tap the mute button or the add volume button on your laptop's keyboard, or click the speaker icon in the lower right side of the taskbar and unmute or turn up the volume. Try using headphones. If your computer built-in speakers aren't working, try plugging in your headphones or use external speakers. If you get audio through external audio devices, the problem may be with your computer speakers. Run Audio Troubleshooter. Windows Audio Troubleshooter can help automatically fix audio problems on your laptop. To do this, click Start, Settings, System, Sound, and select Troubleshoot. Alternatively, type Audio Troubleshooter in the search box on the taskbar. Click Fix and find problems with playing sound, and then click Next. Computer screen black but works on external monitor. If your screen is not working, try the following steps. Connecting an external monitor to test the display. Connect an external monitor to the computer. Computer keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is working fine but your computer keeps disconnecting from it, then your computer's network card may not be receiving full power. Windows has a built-in power saver option that gives less power to the network card. You need to disable this feature. Number 1. Go to the Advanced Settings in the Power option. Number 2. Here, expand wireless adapter settings, and then expand power saving mode. Number 3. Set this to the maximum performance. Camera is not working. If your camera is not working, try the following steps. Check for updates. Select Start, then select Settings, Update, and Security. Windows Update, check for updates. If you see the option to view optional updates, select it to see if there are updates available for your camera. Allow available updates to install. Then restart your device when it's ready. If you haven't restarted your device since the camera stopped working, you should do so. Select Start, then select Power, Restart. Waking up your device from sleep isn't the same thing as a restart. Test your camera with the camera app. Select Start, then choose Camera from the list of apps. If you're asked to allow access to the camera, select Yes. Camera works in the camera app. The problem might be with the app you're trying to use. Roll back the camera driver. If your camera stopped working after an update, try these steps. Number 1. In Device Manager, press and hold or right-click your camera, and then select Properties. Number 2. Select the Driver tab. Select Rollback Driver, and then choose Yes. Some drivers don't provide this option. If your driver doesn't have rollback driver available, go ahead to the next fix. Number 3. After the rollback driver is complete, restart your device and then try opening the camera app again. Number 4. If rolling back didn't work or isn't available, continue to the next steps. Uninstall your camera driver and scan for hardware changes. Number 1. In Device Manager, press and hold or right-click your camera, and then select Properties. Number 2. Select the Driver tab, then select Uninstall Device. Number 3. In Device Manager, on the Action menu, select Scan for hardware changes. Number 4. Wait for it to scan and reinstall updated drivers. Restart your PC. And then try opening the camera app again.
We have reached the final part of our training, and we shall be looking into equipment warranty and technical support procedures. Kapag nagawa na natin mag-troubleshoot at hindi pa rin gumagana ng tama ang equipment, maaari na tayong humingi ng tulong sa technical support team. Dito natin malalaman ang sakop o coverage ng ating warranty kung sakali mang masira ang equipment.
Warranty coverage. Ang mga supplied na items or kagamitan ay sakop ng isang warranty laban sa mga depekto sa mga materyales at pagkakagawa as per the contract of the project. Ang warranty na ito ay hindi sumasaklaw sa mga pinsala dahil sa maling operasyon, maling paraan, maling paggamit, kapabayaan, hindi sapat na pangangalaga at pagkabigo na sundin ang user or operating manual kasamang ibinigay sa unit. Hindi wastong pag-install, kasama na improper operating conditions and storage. Ang warranty ay magiging walang bisa rin kung ang mga item o kagamitan ay binuksan, nawasak, binago, inayos, binago o ginaya, tulad ng na-install. The same applies to the serial number ng mga item o kagamitan. Ang warranty ay hindi pwedeng i-apply sa ordinaryong pagkasira sa mga item o kagamitan. Out of warranty units. Ang mga item na meron ng out of the warranty coverage or period ay maaari pa ring maayos o mapalitan kung nais. Ngunit meron ng corresponding charges for the parts and servicing. subject to the availability of the service personnel schedules. What constitutes mishandling or negligence? Damage or improper functioning bilang isang resulta ng pag-aabuso, maling paggamit, pagbagsak o kapabayaan, aksidente, sunog, baha, pinsala sa tubig, lightning or power surges or outages and other damages, or malfunctions bilang isang resulta ng kapaligiran o natural elements. Paggamit ng mga item o kagamitan para sa mga layunin na iba sa mga kung saan ito ay dinisenyo, such as excessive force or application of power in excess of specific ratings. Paggamit ng mga accessories other than those manufactured, approved, or provided by the supplier na nakakaepekto sa performance, safety, or reliability of the item or items and/or equipment. Exposure sa mga vibration, strong magnetic fields, corrosives, contaminants, chemicals, salt, or adverse atmospheric or environmental conditions. Technical Support Procedures Flowchart.
And that concludes our DepEd Computerization Program Orientation Training for the basic operation, installation, troubleshooting, and warranty coverage. Madali lang, hindi po ba? Maaari na kayong gumamit ng mga gadgets at equipment ngayon upang masanay kayo sa pagpapaandar ng mga ito. You can refer to any point in this training video while you are operating the equipment. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan dito sa ating training video. We hope that the knowledge we have shared with you today will help you in teaching our Filipino youth as you prepare them for their future. Magandang araw po muli at maraming salamat po.